How to allow everyone or only users of a domain to mark your attendance. In the Allowed User sheet, you can add all if you want to allow any users to sign in. This will allow any users to sign in into your attendance. Similarly, you can add all domain if you want to allow all the users in a particular domain. Let's see the different options to create an attendance form. We select the type as daily. This will allow the users to sign in any number of times. Enter the attendance name. Let's say grade 8, Computer Science. Next, enter organization name, contact and logo URL. If you know CSS, you can change in column 3. Here, for example, we can change the border radius to 50%. This will change the image border radius. Now, we start the admin panel and click Preview Attendance. We just adjust the width and height of the image here. Text box option. You can see we have a text box to enter email IDs. Check the preview now. In the next text box, the asterisk denotes that it is mandatory for the user to fill this option. The user cannot mark without filling this option. If you want to make this option not mandatory, simply remove the star. Now, let's check out input tag options. Let's open W3 for reference. You can use any of these input tags. Let's use date, time, local and preview our attendance. Let's preview our attendance now. The user can select date and time in this field. Let's see Dropdown list box option. This is equivalent to the select tag in HTML. You can see how the drop-down list is working. The options are given in parameters. Let's see text area option now. Here we have a sample text area. You can change the parameters like rows, columns, placeholders, etc. Refer w3schools.com for more information. Let's see checkbox option. In value, enter have you completed your assignment? In parameters, enter yes. Let's check the preview attendance. Let's see the radio option. In value, enter a unique label like enter your favorite color. In parameters, enter the choices. Let's check the preview attendance. Now, let's see multiple selection option. Enter a unique label like select your favorite subjects. In parameters, enter your options. The user can choose Ctrl or Command to select multiple options. Now let's see data list option. Enter a unique label, select flows. Now let's see Get IP Address option. Simply enter yes. This will collect the user's IP address during their marking. Next is Allow Handover Email option. Simply enter yes to activate this option. In third column, enter the email options like to, BC, BCC, subject and body. You can edit this using script tag option dynamically according to user's input. Whenever the user signs in, this email will be automatically sent as mentioned in the third column when a user signs in. Next is HTML content option. If you want to add any HTML content, then use this option. Here we have a Pleasant Vision green. Next is script tag option. This option is not mandatory. Simply leave if you don't want to use it. You can add custom scripts in this option. For example, if the user must enter only email IDs, then you can write custom scripts here to verify the user's input and then allow them to mark the attendance. Here is a sample script for you. The second line here will add text in the Gmail body. Similarly, you can add a CC. Here, the email ID entered by the user is added to the handover email. The next lines is used to check if the text entered by the user is an email. Note that this function should return true if you want to allow the users to mark the attendance. Let us know by email if you want us to design and deploy these types of add-ons for you. We will be glad to help you. Visit our website for more information: www.productiveboostapps.com.